Vandeham. That is the duty of all devotees, to give literature, so that people may take benefit out of it. Just like about the Goswamis, it is stated about the Goswamis. Nana Shastra Vicharanai Kanipunau Saddharma Sanghasthapakau Lokanang Hitakarino Trivani Mannau Saranyakaro Bande Rupa Sanatana Ragajugau Sri Jiva Gopalako. And the 6 Goswamis, they engage themselves in literary work. Nana Shastra Vicharanga. That you'll find in Rupa Goswami's books. Oh, how many references are there? From Puranas, from Vedas, from this literature, that literature. Highly great scholars. So, that is one of the duty. We have given the least of qualification of devotee. One of the qualification is poetic. Poetic means not right poetry. Poetic means literary man. They must give literature. Naturally they will give. That is the nature of devotee. Because without literature, how can we enlighten the people at large? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.